Sunny Side Up, you guys. Today we'll be showing you our favorite Buddy Halloween costumes. Today I have here my friend Annabelle. She did this to me. Okay, on to Buddy costume number 1. Hunter and wild animal. To make the animal headboard, we're going to get some foam board and cut it out like a trophy plaque. We're painting it brown so it looks like wood, and then we're gonna cut it out with an X-Acto knife and making sure that we're cutting a hole big enough for her head.
Okay, I think that's pretty much it.
Did you hear about time I caught this beast right here? Now onto Buddy costume number 2. Russell and Carl. So we just cut out some colorful circles as the badges, and then we cut out some brown fabric as well for the sash. Nice tie? Nice. I'm hungry. My knees hurt. I need to go to the bathroom. Kevin's a girl? On to Buddy costume number 3. Bob Ross and Happy Little Trees. We're just going to attach a little string with some hot glue to the back of a canvas. That way it can hang like a necklace. Now I'm just going to paint some happy little trees. On to Buddy costume number 4. Salt and pepper. Whoa! Now I'm just going to cut out a white P for the pepper and a black S for the salt. Yin and yang up in here. Yep. Costume number 5. Among Us players. Whoa! Dude, we're getting good at this! Yeah! Dude, can you come with me to watch me scan? Sure. Yeah. Emergency meeting! What is it? I found a dead body. On to Buddy costume number 6. Taco Bell. Just like the Bob Ross painting, we're going to hang this on our neck, just like a necklace. Costume number 7. Taurus and Statue of Liberty. So now using green foam paper, I'm just going to make a crown for the Statue of Liberty and a little torch. so much for watching our DIY Halloween bunny costumes. Subscribe and comment down below which costume was your favorite. Oh yeah! And don't forget to keep your